Hey my friend, let me tell you that I've been using Notion for over 6 years now, and while it's completely transformed my life, I have to admit that after a while it can get boring. And it's not just Notion, this has happened with most productivity apps. That's when it hit me. Why not turn it into a game? Sure, gamifying a Notion template isn't a brand new idea, plenty of people have done it before, but here's where I'm different. Most templates are either fully 100% gamified or completely 100% just regular templates, but there's no middle ground. So what if I could have both? A template that is simple when you need to be, but with a single click, it transforms this entire system into a full-on game. That's exactly what I've built. So let me introduce you to the new Second Brain 6.0. We're not gonna talk about this template today, but we're gonna talk about the game mode dashboard inside it. So let's dive in. So first of all, this is the Second Brain 6.0. This is brand new. We just launched it on 31 December 2024. So everyone can start using it on 2025 and set his goals, tasks, habits, and all those stuff. Let me just show you what we have in the dashboard here. So it's just simple dashboard here. We can see our tasks, habits, things that need to be reviewed. We can see this week things need to be done. We can see our goals, milestones, currently reading books, but that's not what we are currently looking for. What we are looking for is the game mode here. Now, as you can see, there's nothing here gamified like XPs, coins, or something like that. But once we enter the game mode here, dashboard, now we can start seeing the gamifying things. So let's start, and let me just show you what we have in the dashboard first. So first of all, we have some adventure actions button here. One thing I did to this dashboard is just I changed the name to things like adventure and those stuff to make everything like a game. So here you can add a new task, goal, milestone, projects, new idea, notes, resources, anything similar, and you can usually find on a Notion template. Then we have today's mission here. So here you can see today's tasks you need to be done. For example, before you go into bed, you start planning tomorrow's tasks, and once you wake up, you will see them here. Then we have journey habits. So here you can see your good habits, and you can see also your bad habits. So you have to avoid them. Here we can see our avatar or character, which is this is your player. We can see the level, we can see XPs collected, coins, and I will explain more later on. And here we can see our today's journal and today's reading log. Also, we can see notes, ideas, resources, and books that need to be reviewed. We can see our daily activity status, how many completed tasks, habits, how many collected XP and coins, and our today progress. And here we can see achievements pathway. We can see 2025 goals, milestones, projects of this year. Finally, we can see rewards. So here we can buy rewards once you collect enough coins, but also levels. So now let me show you how you can use the game mode dashboard in our Second Brain template. So first of all, you find out your character here. So you can easily change the cover if you want, and the name here, you can change the name. Here you can see your current level, how many collected XP and coins, your progress, and also your discipline tracker here. So for example, let's set some tasks for today. For example, let's say go to gym, and let's set, for example, go for shopping, or maybe prepare today's meal. Let's say final thing, let's say record this game mode video. Now, as you can see here that we have 15 XP for each task and 100 coins. And if we go to daily activities status here, we can see we have today targeted, which is 245 XP and 500 coins. This is collected from tasks, habits, and also journaling. So once we're gonna done all those things, we can collect 245 XP. And also we can see that today's progress is 0. We didn't made any progress because we didn't complete anything today. Now, before completing those tasks, let me show you that if I add importance, for example, and energy, let's say go to gym, need high energy. Now we can see we have 70 XP and another additional 14 coins. Now let's go for prepare meal, and let's say it's important, but it need only, let's say, medium energy, for example, or let's say low. And the final thing, which is record this video, let's say it's important and medium energy. First of all, you will see that this task is go up because this is a secondary task. And we can see here we have 70 XP, 140 coins for those tasks. But this one, we can see that it's only 55 XP and 120 coins. Now, why? Because this task, it doesn't need a high energy. It will be quick. That it doesn't need the same XP. It's less. And now also, if we go to our daily activities here, we can see that now we have more XP and coins to collect. Now, once we're gonna check those tasks, for example, let's check this one, and this one too. Now we can also see them in the done status here. We can see that we earned those number of XP and coins. Now, if we go here to our daily status, we can now see that we have 67 in the progress. We collected 195 XP and 400 coins. Now let's move on to our habits. Now, once you complete your habits, for example, let's complete this one too, and this one we're gonna earn 30 XP and 60 coins. Every habit has a different XP and coins. You set them by yourself. And this one is done too. This one is also done. We can see that we have now 96% in our progress, and we collected this amount of XP and coins. Now the final things to do in our daily activity, which is journaling. Once we finished our daily journal, we can see that we have 100% in the progress. You deserve a rest. We collected all the XP. We didn't miss any XP. We can see that we have 3 out of 3 completed tasks and 4 out of 4 completed tasks and 4 out of 4 completed habits. But also what we did is that our character level is now 70. Previously it was 69, but now is 70. Now let me show you how you can also collect XP and coins. It's by reviewing notes and ideas, resources and books that you read before. Once you review a note or a resource, you will collect a small amount of XP and coins, 10 XP and 20 coins. For example, let me show you. If we go to all-time XP here, you can see we have 70,249 XP. Once I'm gonna review this note here, we can see now it will be 59. So let me review it. Now we can see it's 59 XP. Let me bring it back. It's 49. So once it's reviewed, first of all, it will be disappeared and you will earn this amount of XP and coins. The same for idea and resources and also books. Now let's move on to our achievement pathway, and here where you can earn a lot of amounts of XP and coins. So goals, milestones and projects will make you earn a lot of XP and coins. For example, we have goals, you can earn 50,000 XP and 100,000 coins. So let's add a new goal here. And for example, let's say that I want to achieve, for example, let's say 100k follower on YouTube this year 2024. Now automatically what we're gonna see, I'm not gonna fill it with all the other stuff, I'm just gonna keep it simple right now. We can see that if we did complete this goal, we're gonna earn 50,000 XP and 100,000 coins. Now keep your eyes here on the XP and the coins. Okay, you see the number here. Once we're gonna achieve it, this goal, we can see that now we earned 50,000 XP and 100,000 coins. Of course, the same for milestones and projects, you will earn a lot of XP and coins. Now let's move to the fun part, which is what we're gonna do with level, also with coins. Now let me explain to you how this concept of game mode works. Now when you earn XP by completing tasks and habits, your level is going up, but also what you earn is coins. Now what you're gonna do with coins is to buy reward. And also let's say what you're gonna do with level. With level you can unlock a specific reward. Let me show you. If we go to the reward page here, let's add a new reward, for example, and let's say you want, for example, a 1 year travel. So you want to take a 1 year off and you want to travel the world. Here you can add a reward level. So when you're gonna achieve a specific level, you're gonna unlock this reward. For example, you want to achieve level, let's say 115. Here we can see that we have 13 levels left to unlock this reward. So you still didn't unlock this reward yet. You have to work more harder to achieve more tasks, goals and stuff like that. And here we can also add the cost coins. How much is gonna cost you this reward? So let's say it's gonna cost us 2,000 coins, for example. Now if we try to buy it, so let's click on buy reward. Now this number is appeared here, but we're not gonna care about it, because if we go to the character level here, we can see that nothing is minus here. We can see that we still have the same amount of coins, nothing is changed. Now what we have to do is now to work harder. We have to achieve more level. And how are we gonna do that? Let's say you did your tasks, your habits, all those stuff, and let's say, for example, let's add another goal here. For example, let's add just a test goal, for example, and let's say it's done. We did it. We achieved 15 XP, another 15,000 XP. We can see that the level now is 170. Now if we go to our reward here, we can see reward unlocked. Now we can go for a 1 year travel. Now if I try to, let's undo buying it, let's add buy reward. Now we can see that you bought this item one time. Now if we go to our coins here, we can see now we only have 1,209,000 coins. So this is how you can buy reward to keep you motivated. Now of course there's some rewards like day break. You can have 13 minutes scrolling, you can have a week break, something like that, one anime episode. Those rewards are daily. You can do it, for example, 30 minutes scrolling. If you did achieve today tasks, for example, and habits, all those stuff, you can then buy a reward. Of course, it will cost you some coins, but not that much. And also I want to mention something is that we have bad habits. Now, if you did bad habits, for example, if you smoke today, we can see that you lose progress. Also, you lose coins and XPs. Okay, so when you do bad habits, bits, you lose progress, XP, and coins. And that's how simply the game mode in our second brain works. It's not 100% a game, okay? But when you want to turn your second brain into a fun dashboard, you can do it here in the game mode dashboard. So that's what we have in today's video. I hope this game mode dashboard will keep you motivated to do your work. You will find the link of this template in the description below. Bye bye.